Hi everyone, welcome to Essential Excel Skills on a Time Budget, Creating and Formatting a Pivot Chart. My name is Jaleesa Doney and I'm the Social Sciences Librarian at the University of Idaho Library. In this video, we are going to discuss how to create a pivot chart based on data that's included in a pivot table. To create a pivot chart, select your pivot table, then navigate to the Analyze tab and the Tools section, and select the pivot chart icon. In this pop-up, you can see all of the chart options that Excel provides. Depending on your data, some options may not be available to you. For example, we could not use the sunburst option with this data. Let's select column and clustered column and click OK. As we look at our pivot chart, we may need to make changes to the data that is shown. For example, we can see that the colleges and the departments take up a lot of space within this chart. Maybe we only want to visualize the total article processing charges and the average article processing charges are values fields for the specific colleges instead of the departments. To remove the department data from our chart, we can click on our pivot table, navigate to our pivot table fields area, click the arrow next to department and say remove field. If we do this though, it will also remove department from our pivot table. If we want to retain department within the pivot table, we can instead click within our pivot table, navigate to the Analyze tab and the Active Field section and select Collapse Field. Since department is currently nested under college, collapsing the field will only show data from the college level. Once we select our chart, we can add additional elements and change the style options. If we navigate to the Design tab and the Chart Layout section and click the Add Chart Element icon, we can add elements such as axis titles or a chart title, where we can give this chart a name that's relevant to the data, such as total and average APC funding by college. We could also add data labels if we chose to, or add, move, or remove the legend. When we select our chart and navigate to the Format tab, we can change our style options. For example, if we want to change the color of the columns, select the chart, select one of the columns, navigate to the Shape Style section, and click the arrow next to the Shape Fill icon, and select the color that you want to use. To change the color of the text within our chart, select your chart, navigate to the Format tab and the Word Art Style section, click the arrow next to the Text Fill icon, and choose your color. If you wanted to change the font style or font size used within your chart, select your chart, click to select the specific text that you want to change, navigate to the Home tab and the Font section, and choose the font style or the font size that you want to change. Once your chart is selected, you can also choose to hide or remove these field buttons to make a more visually appealing chart. To do this, navigate to the Analyze tab and the Show/Hide section, and click the arrow next to Field Buttons. Here, you can see all of the field buttons that are currently visible. Uncheck those that you want to hide, or click Hide All to remove all of them from your pivot chart. Once your chart is complete, you could copy and paste it into a document, a slideshow, or another avenue for sharing information. Thank you for watching Creating and Formatting a Pivot Chart. Be sure to check out our other Essential Excel Skills videos.